Meaning of horsefly.
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 Horsefly. A horsefly is a type of large fly that feeds on the blood of animals, including horses and other livestock. The name comes from its preference for biting horses and its resemblance to a fly. These insects have sharp mouthparts that allow them to penetrate the skin of their hosts and feed on their blood. The bites can be painful and irritating, and can sometimes transmit diseases. Horseflies are known for their fast and agile flying abilities, which make them difficult to swat or avoid. They are found all over the world and are a common nuisance for animals and humans alike.